how to create an online course with Teachable. In this video, you'll learn how to create an online course on Teachable with a simple step-by-step tutorial. You'll learn everything from setting up your course. First things first, create an account. To do that, all you have to do is just simply click on Start for free. There's also a pricing section, however, so let me tell you a little bit about that before we begin. These are 4 plans that are available. As you can see, we have the free plan, the basic, the pro, and the pro plus. Free one is of course free. The basic starts at $39 per month. The pro one starts at $120 per month, and the pro plus is also $120 per month. Down below are the things that or features you get with each plan respectively. So the basic one includes 5% transaction fee, 5 published products of your choice, either courses, coaching, and downloads, 1 membership tier, 1 integrated email, coupons, and orders. You can go ahead and pause the screen right here, read it for yourself if you want to, or you can come over here onto the website and look for it yourself. Moving on, we're going to be selecting the free plan for this video. Add in our name, email address, password. Next, they're going to be asking you these simple questions. Do you currently run an online business? How big is your organization? Blah, blah, blah. You can go ahead and answer these yourself, and then we'll move on. And after that, we are good to go, and this is going to be our dashboard. We have a bunch of things going on, but first, get started with creating a course. Over here, you will be able to start creating a course. You can create a digital download. You can set up coaching services as well. You can even set up school for yourself. On the left hand side, you have all of the other options as well: courses, coaching, digital downloads, membership bundles. You have your sites, sales, emails, and all of that. You also have your community as well. First things first, go ahead and start creating a course. Just simply click on Start Building. You name your course. So we'll just say Basics to Video Editing. You just simply click on Continue. You can either build your course from either scratch, generate it with AI, or bulk upload it. Depends on you. With AI, it will just simply create an outline. So you just simply have to provide a simple description. It'll create an outline for you. You can build from scratch manually. This is the option we're going to be going with because it's much more simple. It gives you a lot of flexibility. Are going to be sections. You are going to be dividing your courses in each section and foremost. Let's say the first section, what it's going to be is basic introductions. Click on Save. Add in a new lesson. Simply click over here and we'll just call it Introduction. This is going to be your first section. It's done. You need to add your introduction video or text or whatever it is you want by clicking on this link on the introduction. You click on it, it's going to open up right here where you can upload text, images, videos, PDFs, audio, banner image, resources, all of that, right? You can just simply click on add content, choose the content you want. Let's say you want to add a video. Over here you can upload the video. You can choose either Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or OneDrive Business. You can even go with an embedded code, but for that, of course, you need to upgrade to any paid plan. And you have to upload a maximum of 10 files, and the size of each file is supposed to be the maximum size of 2 gigabytes. Then just simply click on upload, and there you go. It's going to be uploaded, and you are good to go. After you've uploaded, the video is going to process, and make sure the longer video you have, the more time it'll take for process. Once it's done processing, you can go ahead and upload a thumbnail if you want to. You can auto-generate text. You can auto-generate subtitles as well if you want to, but if you already have a subtitle file like an SRT or VTT, you can upload it as well. You can also show download link as well if some people want to download it. For now, we'll keep that off. We'll go ahead and move on. Once it's done processing and everything, you just simply click on publish. We are now done with our introduction for the first segment. Let's go back, and as you can see, introduction has 1 video over here, introduction, and it is published. Let's go ahead and create another section. We click on new section right here. We'll name it. We'll go ahead and say familiarizing with the software, and we'll click on save. Now in this section, we can add our first lesson. It is of course going to be basic layout, and over here we'll move on and create another lesson which is going to be shortcuts, how you can start editing your videos or how to edit videos. This is going to be the main topic. Of course, you need to familiarize yourself with all of the tools necessary, so we'll just say basic tools, and you generally get the idea. You create a section, you upload lessons within that, and then you move on. Finally, you can even add a quiz as well if you want to. For now, we'll leave it at this. Now all you have to do is, again, just simply like the introduction, you upload your lessons within these sections. Once it's done, you should be good to go. I'm just simply going to upload dummy files within these sections so that we can publish them just for the sake of this video. And once you have uploaded, you are good to go. And you can also upload, so let's say this section right here, right? We add a new lesson and it's going to be a quiz. The name quiz, we go in there, and now we just simply go ahead and type in quiz. Here we go. Over here, you write your questions, correct answers, and add the answer, add more questions and stuff like that, right? So after typing in the question and adding in all the answers and choosing the correct one as well, then you just simply click on save quiz and you are good to go. Instead of publishing them by one, you can just simply go ahead and click on quick action for the entire section and just simply set publish or unpublish over here. And now we'll move on to the next part of the video. So once it's done, all you have to do is just simply click on preview. And over here, this is how it looks like. You will have your introduction right here. Basic layout's going to be over. You can start it anywhere you want, basically. If you click over here, the video should be able to start playing. Oh, I think the video, yep, you can just simply go ahead and start playing it, but quality is bad. But I think that's because, as you can see, it works. Move on to the next part of the course and then just simply click on complete and continue. You're basically good to go. Coming back over here, now moving on to the next step. Over here on the left hand side, you will see you have more options. This was the curriculum. We've done that. Now we go to design and template. Over here, you choose what type of template you want. You want the simple one or currently the colossal one is activated, but I think colossal looks good. You can go with simple one as well. It depends on you. Then you have certificates. For this one, you can reward your students with certificates, but for this one, you have to upgrade your account. Then you have information over here. You can go ahead and add information. You can add the branding as well over here. You can upload your own logo, add in your name, course description, publish course, and you can add more options right here, such as preview as a student or preview as a sales page. You have your course settings over here. You can add different courses over here. You can add different categories over here. You can hide the progress bar. You can enforce lesson orders, enforce video watching and all of that stuff as well. And you also have video settings over here. You have auto-generated subtitles. Of course, if you had turned the option off, you can upload your own subtitles as well. Generally speaking, this is how it is. So these were all the settings you needed to know about. Moving on, we have the pricing. You can set your pricing. You can either go with the free or a one-time purchase payment plan or a subscription-based course. It depends on you. But yeah, you just simply select whichever one you want. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and select one-time payment, and then over here you add in the amount. We'll just say it's $49. You can name its price as well, or add the name of the plan. We'll go with one-time pay. You can add in the subtitle as well, and then the description. And you can also add a limited enrollment by cap or expiration date if you turn this on. And of course, you have more options down below. This, you can turn this on, limit product access duration. This will allow to either get all student loses access on a specific date. Each student gets a specified amount of time. You can choose the time you want. So let's say number 40, and then you select days for 1 week. Go with 7 days. Each student will have access to this offer, and after that it expires. You can choose that if you want to, but it depends on you. You just simply click on add pricing plan and you are good to go. Pricing plan has been added. You can add other pricing plans as well. Depends on you. Then you have the sales page right here. Yeah, everything looks good. There's a thank you page. Someone has purchased their plan, they'll be redirected to a thank you page. Then you'll have the coupons. Of course, add coupons over here, upgrade your plan. You have order bumps as well. Like for example, if you wanted to add these, for example, over here, you can get 30 extra recipes for just $10 more. You can say like you can get a 30-minute consultation if you just simply pay $10. You can add that as like AOV. You also have comment sections are going to be over here. Then you have your students. All the students are going to be over here. But generally speaking, these are all the things that you needed to know about Teachable and how you can create a course on Teachable as well. Yes, congratulations. You are now on your way to creating your very own online course on Teachable. But wait, have you considered the key component of successful course? What about the best marketing strategy? And if you found this video valuable, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Stay tuned for our next video where we deep dive into these topics